Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Get ready to play Guess the Animal by Emoji. Before we jump in, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon. Let's start with the first question. Here's the first question. Can you guess this animal? Sharp eyes. The answer is starfish. Looks easy, right? Guess the animal. Well done. The answer is panda. Might be tricky. Can you guess this one? Brilliant guess. It's monkey. Only sharp eyes can guess this animal. Nice try. The correct answer is elephant. Take a close look and guess the animal. You got it right. The answer is blue whale. No hints this time. Guess the animal. Smart move. The answer is snail. This one confuses everyone. Can you guess it? Excellent observation. It's peacock. Animal lovers, you'll enjoy this one. Guess it. Impressive. The answer is wolf. Think fast. Can you guess the animal? That was tricky. The answer is eagle. Don't rush. Guess the animal carefully. Great focus. The answer is beautifly. Looks cute, but what animal is this? Animal expert. The answer is dolphin. Beginner or pro, guess this animal. Good job, it's mouse. Zoom in your mind and guess the animal. Did you guess it? The answer is pig. Only true nature lovers will get this right. Spot on. The answer is camel. One image, one animal. Can you guess? Nice catch. The dangerous one. It's tiger. Most people get this wrong. Guess the animal. Most people miss this. The answer is ladybug. Try not to pause the video and guess the animal. Correct answer revealed. Cat. Easy or hard, you decide. Guess it. Second last chance. The answer is mosquito. Almost there. Can you guess this animal? Animal expert. The answer is flamingo. Final challenge. Guess the animal. Final answer is seal. Thanks for watching. Awesome job, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon.